Hi children, in the previous video we discussed up to 11 questions Numa. In this video we are going to discuss the questions from 12 onwards. Let us see that what is the 12th question here. 20 and 20 by 10. 20 and 20 by 10. So children, here we can write this one as 20 and 20 by 10. So we can write this one as, okay, here we know that 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So we can write this one as 20 and 2 by 1. 20 and 2 by 1. So as per this one also we can write it as 1 into 20 is equal to 20. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 by 1, which is equals to 22. Or here directly we can write this one as 20 by 10. Okay. 20 into 10, which is equals to here 200. 20 into 10 or else 10 into 20 plus 20 whole by 10, which is equals to 10 into 20 is 200 plus 20 by 10, which is equals to 220 by 10. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Again you will get that answer as 22. Understand ma? Here 0, 2 is there means that one as a point you will get. Okay. But here 20 by 10 is there means 0 and 0 gets cancelled, which means 2 is related to integral part only here. Not related to, here 10 is there, no, so you may get the doubt. Here 10 is there, so that is related to decimal point, and not like that. Here 20 by 10 is there. 2 by 10 is there means 20.2. But here 2 0 by 1 0 is there. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. See here ma. Then here 220 by 10. Again 0 and 0 cancel. Again 2 is in that integer part only, no. So finally here answer is 22. Which option is correct ma here? 22. Option 1 is true here. Okay. Let us see that next one. Which of the following is equal to 8.05? 8.05. Already I told you know this is called insignificant digit. Zero is that insignificant digit. That's why we can write this one as 8.0 is not having value, no. So directly we can write this one as 8.5. Why? Because 0 is that insignificant digit, and in the same way point after decimal point after immediately we are having that 0. Just like that 0 8 we can consider it as 8 only, no. Why? Because the left side of the integral part, left side of the digit we are having that 0. So this is not having value. So simply what is the value of 0 8? Again that is 8 only, no. And in the same way in the decimal part also point after if the number starts with 0, then 0 is not having that value. Understand ma? So no need to write that 0 here. Okay. And in the same way here what is that answer? 8.5. So this value is equals to 8.5. Understand? Yes. Next 14th one. In 47.395. 47.395, if the decimal point move from left to right, then the place values increases by. Then the place values increases by. So left to right in the decimal point. In the decimal place, the first place value is 1 by 10. Next place value is 1 by 100. Next place value is 1 by 1000. Okay, so here it is increases by how many times ma? 10 times only, no? Into 10 into 10. Yes or no? Which means into 1 by 10 only now. To the decimal values I am saying here 10, 100, 1000. Okay, denominator values 10, 100, 1000. 10 into 10 is equals to 100. Again 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So as per this one here, while you are moving from left to right, here the number value, decimal value increases by 10 times. Increases by 10 times. Option 3 is correct here. Next 15th one, say that what is that? 4 into 100. 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1 plus 0 by 10 plus 0 by 100. Next plus 0 by 1000 and here plus 8 by 10,000. Okay, that's it, no? So as per this one here, the place values are, so children see here hundreds place, tens place. So here first write that, better to write the place values. Here hundreds is there, no? So hundreds, and here tens. Okay, after that ones place. And in the same way here, once after fraction form is there, no? So fraction form is there means that is a decimal place values only, no? So that's why here keep that decimal point. Next decimal point after here, tenth place. Okay, 10th after here, 100th place. 100th after here, 1000th place. And finally here, 10,000th place. Okay, these are the place values. As per this one here, just write the number. What number they given, just write that number here under that place values. Hundreds place here, which digit is there, ma? 4 is there. Next tens place here, 3 is there. Next ones place we are having 6. Okay, after that keep decimal point. Next 10th, in the 10th place we are having here is 0, and here again 100th place also having here 0. Next 1000th place is also 0. 10,000th place is 8. Understand? So finally the number is 436.0008. Understand, ma? So which option is correct here? Point after here 3 decimal places, zeros only, no? So 436.0008. Which option is satisfying here? Option 3 is correct. Okay. Next, 16th one. If 55.789 is equals to AB 0.789. AB 0.789. Then which of the statement is which of the following is correct means which of the following statement is true here. Okay, as per this one here, A is equals to the place value of 5 is 5 into 10 is equals to 50. Yes or no? A is equals to 50. Next B is equals to here, this is B, no? So 5 into 1 is equals to 5. These are the values of A and B. A is equal to 50, B is equals to 5. Finally AB is equal to 55. We should not write here A is equal to 5. Why? Because the 5 is in tens place. Tens place. Here we have to check that place values. Okay, 55. As per this one we can write that 5 into 10 is equals to 50. Okay, and here 10. 5 is the value of B. So B into 10 is equal to 50 is the value of A. So which condition is satisfying, ma? Here A is equals to 10 into B. Okay, therefore A is equal to 10 into B. This condition is satisfying. Okay, where is that option, ma? Here A is equals to 10 into B. Option 2 is satisfying, that is A into 10 into B. A is equal to 10 into B. Next 17th one here, 903, and point after some digits there, no? Here, so highest number of digits. Here point after nothing is there. Here point after only 1 digit. Here we don't know that. Here how many digits there, ma? 3 digits. What is the highest number of decimal places value here? That is 3 places only, no? So up to 3 places you have to take that zeros. Up to 3 places you have to take that zeros. Next plus 0.5. 0.5, the leftover 2 places you can take it as zeros. Okay, finally here 0, 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 0 is 3, 0, 9. Okay, as per this one here, 903.500 plus, here nothing is there means let it be some A, capital A. A is equal to 903.506. Understand? To find the value of A, just you have to subtract these two numbers, no? Okay. As per this one, A is equal to 903.506 minus 903.500. Just to do that subtraction here. 6 minus 0 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 0. So 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, and finally here the answer is 0.000 means we can write it as 0.006. So what number you have to add here? 0.006 you have to add to this number, then you will get it as 903.506. Understand? Yes. So as per this one, which option is correct here? Option B is correct, that is 0.006. Okay, next. Which of the following are like decimals? Which of the following are like decimals? As per this one here, just to say that, children, 14.09 is there means we can write it as a 14.9 only. But here decimal places they given, no? So as per the decimal places, as per the given numbers here, you have to check that. Okay, here 2 digits and here also 2 digits. Here 1 digit and here 2 digits there. So that's why this is not related to like decimals. And here 2 places and here 3 places. Okay, here 2 places, here 2, here 1, here 2, and 2 places and here 1 place. Understand? So that's why here which option is correct ma? Here option A is related to like decimals. Understand? Yes. Next, 19th one, the decimals 2.2, 2.02, see here, 2.2, 2.02, 0.22, 0.02, 0.202, 2.002. Okay, finally how many numbers now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers they given here. So just you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big only, no? So small to big numbers. What is the first smallest number among them? How to compare that? To find that, to compare that numbers, first you have to compare that integral part values. First we need to compare that integral part values. In that integral part values, what is that least value here? Okay, 2 is less than 2. Am I right? So that's why first you have to compare that. These 3 numbers first you need to compare it. Okay, 0 point something is there, no? So that those values we need to compare it. After that, decimal point after first digits you have to check that. Decimal point after first digits you have to check that. 0 point. Here 2 is there, here 0, 2. Again 0 is less than 2. That's why here first number you have to write it as 0.02. First number as 0.02. Next. Here after that 2 and 2. So this is these two are same only. Just you have to check the next place values. Here 2 is there, here 0 is there. So that's why second number you have to write it as 0.202. 0.202. Next one here the leftover 0.22. Okay, just you have to compare like that. Understand ma? Next 3 numbers they know here. 2.2, 2.02, 2.002. Okay, so next here what is the smallest number? While you are checking these 3 numbers here, the smallest among them is 0, 0. Next second digits you have to check that 2 and 0 here. So first you have to write that 2.002. After that 2.002, next number is 2.02. 2.02. After that finally here 2.2. This is the ascending order. Understand ma? So as per this one here we can write it as 0.02 is less than 0.202 is less than 0.22 is less than 2.002 is less than 2.02 is less than 2.2. Understand? Here this is the answer. Okay, which option is satisfying that? 0.02, 0.202, 0.22, 2.002, 2.02, 2.2. Finally, option C is satisfying ma here. Okay, so which option is satisfying here? Option C is satisfying. Okay, next. The value of 203.5 minus 43.76 minus 9.89 minus 13.086. Okay, and we know that first we can add that the numbers which are having the same sign. Okay, so we can write this one as minus 43.76 minus 9.89 minus 13.086. So another place value is there, no? So that's why here we have to keep that 0. Understand? And here answer is 6. 9, 10, 17 plus 6, 23. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 7, 17. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 66.736. So we can write this one as 203.5 minus 66.736. Understand ma? So as per this one here, 203.5, and here decimal places 3 places there, no? So keep that next to 2 places as 2 zeros. Okay, from this one 66.736 we have to subtract it. Okay, this is 10, 9, 4. 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 4 minus 7 not possible, 14, and here 2. 14 minus 7 is 7, 2 minus 6 is not possible, so 9, and here 12, this is 1, 12 minus 6 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, and 1 minus 0 is 1. 136.764. So which option is satisfying ma here? Option C is satisfying, 136.764. 136.764. Am I clear ma? Yes. And next one here, the value of 12.1212 plus 17.0005. Okay, to this value, from this value we have to subtract that 9.1102. Okay, from this one here, just you have to add these two numbers. 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 2 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2, 29.1217. Okay, from this one here just you have to subtract 29.1217. From this one subtract that 9.1102. Okay, see here ma. 7 minus 2 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 2. 20.0115. What is that answer here? 20.0115. Okay ma, which option is satisfying here? Option C is satisfying, 20.0115. Understand? Yes. Next, 22nd one, what is that? This is also just like the previous one only. Here first you have to add that these two numbers. From that numbers you have to subtract this one. Okay, just to say that 138.009 plus 341.981. Okay, you have to add these two. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 479.990. From this one, from this number, just you have to subtract 146.305. Just you have to subtract it. Understand ma? Then what you will get here? This is 10, 8. 10 minus 5 is 5, 8. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 333.685. So how we can write it? Here we will get that 333.685, which is equals to 123.6 plus A. From this one A value we need to find out. So A is equal to 333.685 minus 123.6. Just you have to subtract this number from 333.685, then you will get that A value here. Understand? Just see that ma, 333.685 minus 123.6. Left over 2 places, keep that zeros. Understand? 5 minus 0 is 5, 8 minus 0 is 8, 6 minus 6 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. 210.085. 210.085. Okay, what is the number ma? 210.085. But that answer is not there, no? 120.085, 120.85. Okay. Yes, we will get that 210.085. Option is not there. So as per this one, option D. Okay, none of these. Okay, ma, up to here totally worksheet 3 problems, 22 problems they given, no? So all the 23 problems completed up to here. In that next video again we will meet with the next worksheet. Okay, that is worksheet 4. Okay, thank you all.